Looking at a used Toyota RAV4 from 2013 to 2018, here are 14 quick checks to avoid costly mistakes.
Check wheel arches, rocker panels, and the tailgate lip. Rust here spreads fast in snowy regions. Inspect the windshield for cracks and test seals. Leaks can damage the interior electronics. Cloudy headlights or cracked taillights. Replacement can cost hundreds. Uneven tire wear hints at suspension or alignment problems. Rotate tires by hand to spot it. Listen for clunks over bumps. Worn control arms or bushings are common past 100,000 miles. During a test drive, harsh 1 to 2 gear shifts may mean early transmission wear. Check the dipstick and service records. The 2.5L engine can burn oil if neglected. Look for coolant leaks near the water pump and radiator hoses. Small leaks can mean big repairs. Turn on the AC. No cold air? The compressor replacement is about $1,000. Test all windows, locks, and infotainment. Slow or dead switches mean expensive electrical fixes. Check seat bolsters, steering wheel, and carpets. Heavy wear shows rough ownership. Pull the trip button while starting to open a secret system check screen. Always run the VIN for open recalls and confirm maintenance logs before you buy. Those were the 14 checks before buying a 2013 to 2018 Toyota RAV4. Subscribe for more smart car buying and ownership tips. Here's the 2013 Toyota RAV4, the first year of this generation. The 2014 RAV4 carried the design forward with the same dependable setup. In 2015, Toyota added more features while keeping the same solid platform. The 2016 refresh gave the RAV4 a sharper, more modern front end. By 2017, Toyota expanded trims and safety tech across this generation. 2018 wrapped up this generation before Toyota moved to the next redesign.